Hello everyone, you are on the Curative CG Computer Graphics channel. In this video, we will analyze, or rather, we will break the model in the Cinema 4D program, and for this I will use voronoi destruction. But before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's start. Opening Cinema 4D, and I already have a scene ready. I will add the destruction of the crow to the model. Go to the Sources tab and click on the point generator to bring up this menu. Next, you need to change to exponential. Here we have to distribute the points of destruction. Let's remove an X. Along Y, we will make points at the top, and Z we will make in front. Next, we will increase the points of destruction. Now, with the help of this slider, we will make the slope of the points to the upper part. The lower the number, the higher the point becomes. I will make more frames. I will add simulation to the model. Let's turn on the animation. If suddenly the object has flat details, and in order to fix this, you need to put a DAW here. Now we see that the destruction occurs earlier than the fall of the model. And to fix this, we go to the simulation of the model and change it to off here. Now, when animating, the model just falls and does not collapse. We will need to bind off to all using the key animation. To do this, we find the frame of the impact of the model on the ground and take a frame one step back and create a key here. Then go to the frame of the impact and change it, set the key. Let's see what happened. Let's go to the project settings and increase the dynamic settings. To prevent the details from flying off, let's create a connector. And the higher the number, the closer the details are to each other. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Hope it was helpful to you. Do not forget to like and be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want to support the channel, donate links are in the description. Thank you all, and goodbye!